This is the SV900i finger vein model. This has the CPU specification for SV900i model is it has dual CPU, 400 MHz ARM processor and Hitachi finger vein processor. Number of users supporting is more than 50,000 users. Each user can enroll 2 templates, and the event logs it can store is up to more than 500,000 event logs. The touchscreen is 3.5 inch TFT touchscreen. This is the main display on the SV900i. This is the settings menu for manager. Initially, when the device is in the when it is a new device, we need to create the installer. Installer will be the first manager. We need to key in the user pin. Just select. Type the user pin. Each user can enroll 2 fingers. Select first finger. User type as the installer, it will always be manager. Click enroll. Place the finger. Positioning the first chip and the last chip. It takes 3 trials and choose the optimum template. Okay, we can choose second finger. Enroll. And also we can select as 1:n user, meaning auto matching. Enroll the second finger. So under the user pin 666 there are 2 templates and the user will be 1:n user. This is the first manager, is called the installer. We have 2 types of verification. One is for the normal verification, wherein we just key in the user ID and the finger. This is for normal transaction. If we need to make any changes for the device itself, we have to enter to the manager menu. This is the settings menu. Key in the user ID and place the finger. This is the main menu for the settings. There is manage user, system setting and others. First option, manage user. We can enroll user. Only the manager has the authority to enroll user. We can enroll user. Key in the user pin. The user type is user or manager. We can select any. Finger number 1, 1:n user. Enroll. Okay, we can there is option to issue the information on the card. This is option for issuing card. We can press issue. So the SV900i has a built-in card reader. It captures the card number once we flash the card. So the user pattern, finger vein pattern and the user ID is automatically stored in the card. This is the issue card option. We can issue card based on the user pin and card ID. This is to make any changes for the user ID, or if we need to change the finger enrollment, we can change here. We have to key in the user ID first, and then we need to key in the card ID, or we just flash the card ID to make the changes. If you want to change the user type from user to manager, we can modify here. If you want to change 1:1 user to 1:n user, we can just modify all the changes over here. To delete any existing user, we can just go here, delete user option, key in the user ID and then just delete the user. This is for the user management sub-menu. We'll go back. The second option is the system setting. Under system setting, the first one will be the networking. Basic setting. The default IP address will be 192.168.0.251. This is the default IP address. We can change the IP address to the required class here. You can key in any IP address here. You can change the IP gateway. So this is for the network setting. Once all the setting is done, we can choose save. The settings will be saved. There is advanced setting wherein we can choose the SV900i as a master or slave. If we choose the device as slave, we need to key in the master IP address. Just key in the master IP address here. IP port is a standard 23. If the DB, the database location, is local or remote, we need to choose here. Or if the DB location is local and on the remote side, we need to choose as the both option. This is for master slave feature. The second option is operation. For the SV900i, we can have two options. One is to 1 and one is to n. The 1 is to n operation, we can either turn on or turn off. We can select turn on or off here. Security level, high, medium and low. We can make the changes here. We can just choose medium. The third option is vegan. Vegan for connecting any external reader or any third-party controller. We can enable vegan input and output. Type of data we can choose based on the application, whether as PIN or card. Format data as 26 bits or 34 bits. If output data required is decimal or hexadecimal, we can choose the output data format. Save the changes. Next option is UI setting.